Welcome, and thank you for taking your time to learn more about the Formyoula mobile app. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of how to use the app. After receiving your Formyoula login email, please open the Click Here to download the Formyoula mobile application link. Here you can select the App Store based on your device to download Formyoula. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app on your device, you will see two login options. If your login email included a username and password, please use the standard sign-in. If you're a Salesforce user, please press Sign in with Salesforce and use your Salesforce login details to sign in into Formyoula. After successfully signing in, you will see your Formyoula home screen. Here you'll find all the forms your administrator has shared with you. Now I will show you how to capture and submit a form entry. I will open the lead capture form by tapping on the form title or the pencil icon on the right. This will start a simple one-page form with 8 fields. Let's say we're at an exhibition and we want to capture someone's details on our form. I will start by selecting the event I'm attending. Tapping on the Select Event button will display a list of selectable event names. I will fill in the first name and continue with the rest of the form questions. Required fields will be marked with a red asterisk that will need to be filled in before the form can be submitted. We can capture photos on our forms using the device camera or selecting them from our photo library. Here I will capture a new photo of a business card. Some forms can include hidden questions that will appear based on answers to other questions. In this example, if I tap the checkbox, it will reveal a hidden question, and I'll be prompted to select a product from a select list. Finally, I will add some notes based on my conversation with the prospect. When done, I will press the Submit button. My tablet is currently connected to the Wi-Fi, and the form entry will be automatically sent to Salesforce. I can continue working and use the same form again by tapping on the form title or the pencil icon. I will start capturing details about the next prospect I'm talking to. If I'm not able to complete the form in one go, I can press on the Save Draft button to save the form and complete it later. Now on the Formyoula home screen, in the Recent Entries list, you can see two form entries I just captured. One submitted and one draft form entry. Please note that draft entries are only stored on your device and are not sent to Salesforce. I can continue working on the draft entry by pressing on its name and details. This will display the entry detail page where I can see all the captured information. To edit this draft entry, I will need to scroll down and press on the Edit button at the bottom of the page. I can now fill in the missing information by tapping on the blank fields. When done, I will tap on the Submit button. On my home screen, in the Recent Entries list, the draft label is no longer displayed and the entry is now sent to Salesforce. Now let's say I want to leave the office and continue working on the go while my device is offline. To make sure I have access to all my Salesforce records offline, I will navigate to the Setup page by pressing on the gear icon in the top right corner. Here we can enable the Salesforce offline lookup functionality. This will allow you to search for Salesforce records while your device is offline. You can enable offline lookups by pressing on the checkbox. Please wait for the sync process to download your Salesforce records. You can come back to the Setup page and refresh the offline lookups by tapping on the Refresh button. Now I will press the Home button in the top right corner to return to my home screen. I will switch my device to airplane mode to show you how Formyoula works offline without an internet connection. I will open the New Account and Contact form by pressing on the form title or the pencil icon on the right. This is a two-page form with a repeatable form section and a signature capture field on the second page. I will start by selecting a client from Salesforce I want to visit. Pressing on the Select Client button will bring up the search dialog. I can search for the company name or any other information found on the record, like the address. I will use the repeatable form section that will allow me to create any number of new contacts. I will fill in the required fields for each contact. Pressing the Add button will create a new contact entry. Both contacts will be linked to the selected account record. Now, I will navigate to the second page by pressing on the Next button. We will sign the form using a signature input. We can navigate back to the previous page if necessary by pressing on the Back button. When the form is finished, we can press on the Submit button. If there is no connection available, the entry will be captured offline and sent to Salesforce automatically when the device has regained internet connection. Unsent form entries will be marked with a yellow Unsent label. We will now connect back to our Wi-Fi. As soon as the device is connected back to the Wi-Fi or any other internet connection, the form entry will be automatically sent to Salesforce. Thank you for watching. For further details, please visit Formyoula.com or email us support@formyoula.com.